Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun lemon candle DIY. I got all of these supplies from the Dollar Tree. I've chose a lemon wood bead we're going to use for the lid, a yellow glass candle holder, and a yellow candle, one of these long candles from the Dollar Tree, that I'm going to take and go put in a pot of boiling water that I had on my stove, and I melted all of the wax so much that I could even reuse the wick. So I just put that inside, poured the yellow wax inside, and I even found lemon Meyer fragrance oil at Dollar Tree, so I scented it to smell like lemons. I set it aside for a few hours so the candle would harden, and just cleaning it up a little bit, now we can make the lid. Since it's a scented candle, I do want it to have a lid to kind of keep the scent in. And I found this great lemon would-be garland at the Dollar Tree in their summer section, and we're going to make a lid with it. So I just removed it from the wood beads, but I'm actually going to use some and make my own little tiny tassels here that will fit on a candle. So I just stagger the white and yellow wood beads that were on it originally and measure just the right amount, tie that off. I also want the lid to kind of fit on there, so I'm using some hot glue to make little dots so it won't like move around. It will fit on there rather snugly. And then I'm also going to use the tassel that came on the wood beads because why not? I just needed to shorten it a little bit to make sure that it fits. And then I'm just going to feed some twine through the ribbon here. I'm going to tie that off with the wood beads on there. And this made the cutest lid for my little scented lemon candle. Everything is yellow. I think it's so cute. And I love lemons for summer. I think they're so much fun, and this smells great. So this is what it looks like with the lid on it. Super cute. Tells you exactly what it is, a lemon candle. And this is what it looks like lit. And it smells great. If you'd like more Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting.